Hello and welcome to video number 12 on the video series How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System. And you're here because you're a PT, online or offline coach, or you might have a gym, and whatever you are, you're within the health and fitness industry. And my background has been, I've been in the fitness industry since 2012. I've run and set up 4 indoor cycling studios in my time, 2 in Shanghai, China, 2 here in Leeds in the UK, and I'm here now giving back because I went online in 2014 when my role from a lady gen changed into a mum when my little boy came along, and I couldn't physically open my indoor cycling studio. So that's when I learned and actually formed a passion around online marketing strategies, because before 2014 I certainly did things in a very old school type of way. So you're probably flyering yourself, you're probably joint venturing with local businesses in your area, you're probably sending loads of emails manually, you're probably posting or going live on Facebook, you're probably doing all that sort of stuff, and that's great, but you're coming to realise now it's not too measurable. It is a lot of time in your day. It doesn't really generate high quality leads at that. You might have a nice following, however, are they converting into leads? And this is why I'm here offering you this 30 video series, How to Build Your Online Marketing Business Machine. So then you've got predictability, sustainability in your business. You've got the confidence as well. You get your life back, which is awesome. I know for me, I had a few stressful periods when I was running multiple businesses myself, and yeah, these are what these videos are all about. You can actually take all the information away, and in this particular video we're actually now the 4th stage of the business system. This is the Aftercare page. I'll leave the link here. It will direct you through to the overview video, which is included in this video series, just to give you a rough idea of the 4 stages of the system. So check that out if you haven't done so already. But anyway, more to follow on the last page of the business system after this. Okay, welcome back. You're a driven business owner and you're on this channel because you want to learn how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business empire without all the tech overwhelm, because who's got the time for tech in their busy life when you've got a gym to run, you've got a family to run at home, you've got your own self to operate as well. There's a lot going on, and the last thing you want to do is learning other sort of softwares and programs to generate leads into your business, because in all honesty we do tend to gravitate towards the old school traditional ways of marketing, like the flyering and the word of mouth, because it does work, of course it does, and it's easy to understand as well, and everyone does it, and we're not really told anything different from that. And I certainly was doing it for many years, and I did get tremendous results, don't get me wrong. It's an amazing thing when you're earning loads of money through your business. I've certainly been a 6-figure earner offline, and yeah, it's great using those types of strategies. However, on the online space, you might as well use the tools that are by your fingertips. It's just a matter of time learning what you need to learn in order for a business system like this to do most of the heavy lifting. You could sort of generally say it caters for 75% of the heavy lifting when it generates leads for you, and then 25% would be you coming in at the end and offering your human touch, your personality, and that is how you close sales to guarantee the revenue coming into your business. And throughout this program, these 30 video series, I've actually said roughly as a guideline, let's try and aim for £5,000 revenue, which is easily achieved if you were to implement everything in this step-by-step video series. So before we get started on the final part of the business system, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button to this video and leave a comment below if you wish to join the giveaway, which is every week. I offer 3 new subscribers my business bundle, which includes the lead generation fix service, also the business survival kit, along with 2 free trainings and also a done for you funnel. So yeah, if you want to join, all you need to do again is subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment below. And at the end of this video, if you don't want to do all this business system yourself, if you don't want to allocate time in your busy week to take the time to learn about how to do this, then I actually offer a 2-week free trial where I set it all up for you, and I just ask that you put up the £200 Facebook spends, and I will get those results for you in that 2 weeks. And if you like what you see and I'm happy as well, then we can have an onward conversation and we can work together. So more to follow at the end. Okay, so I'll just click off this page, one sec. Oh no, I'm actually on this page. This is the Aftercare page, and again, that overview video in a few videos ago was a good indication as to what we're trying to do in this business system. And these are just the notes here about the Aftercare page. So this is the final stage of the business process, and it's all about your opportunity to prove yourself to the prospect, prove that what you're offering is what you can do. This is where you put your client testimonials in, your success stories, whatever good nuggets that you've got for your clients in previous trainings. Then this is where you can showcase all your top clients, and also it's a chance for you to future pace what it's going to be like to work with you, what it's going to be like once you get the results for them, that sort of thing. And also the Aftercare page is a great place for the prospect to reaffirm their decision that working with you is the best decision they're going to make. It also gives them confidence that they're in the right place in order to get the results that you're offering. And yeah, it converts very well if you do have this Aftercare page at the end. So once I've confirmed the decision after being on your Aftercare page, it's then really about closing the deal on the phone, which we're going to be talking to, which I'm going to be talking to you about in a future video in the video series. So it's an exciting part. This part of the process can take a few days to get your head around, especially if you're new to these programs. We are using Facebook, obviously. You need to learn about Facebook ads. We are learning about how to create a funnel. I always suggest ClickFunnels because I've been using them since 2014. They're absolutely amazing. And also Typeform. So again, that's why I offer a 2-week free trial, because I set it all up for you should you want to work with me in that way. Or you can obviously just take the time and learn it yourself, because once you learn how to do this yourself, you're on fire. You've got all that you need in order to build other sustainable businesses, or you can launch another service and use this type strategy to implement another funnel into your business. So there's absolutely no harm in trying to figure it all out yourself. And again, these videos is the aim, with the aim to give you as much insight as possible in order to go away and implement information that you have from these videos. So it's all good stuff. But basically, in a nutshell, that is the Aftercare page. It's a great way to convert because it gives all the confidence and information that the prospect will need in order to reaffirm the decision that working with you is the best thing they're going to be doing. So yeah, so that 2-week free trial, if you do want to work with me, check out the link below, book a call with me. We can have a discussion in 2 weeks. I'll set everything up. I use your money to put into Facebook, and I generate those leads into your business. So all good stuff. If you are wanting to find me a question, I do more so hang out on Facebook. I offer a quality client generation Facebook group where you can learn there how to generate high quality leads and clients into your business and I can answer all your business questions there, and everyone else can learn as well. So feel free to ask a question there. The link also that you'll see below will direct you to my other online courses that I do. There's also free trainings, other little bits of nuggets in there, little gifts, as well as you can book a call with me. And if you want to find more information on me, jen@lillian.com is my website. And yeah, I want your business to be the best part of your life, because you can get so much satisfaction from a successful business, and it is, I think, a great extension of you. So if you're doing well from within, then your business will show that in its business results. I'm here to let you know of the strategies, the up-to-date information, how to make your business a great success. All right then, I will see you in the next video.